Guys, it's Jose here, and today I'm going to talk to you about how setting goals is actually keeping you back from achieving the things you want in life. Let's get into it. Okay, so pretty much when you set a goal, you are chasing something. You are saying that you are here and what you want is over there. And by setting the goal, you're not allowing yourself to feel whatever feelings you think that you will feel once you achieve that thing, if that makes sense. For example, if you think that, let's say I'm trying to make money, if you think that by making money you'll feel happy and fulfilled, then that means that right now you do not feel as happy or fulfilled as you could be potentially, or you think you will be when you make money. Or if I'm chasing a girlfriend, let's say that you think that when you get a girlfriend you'll feel loved and cared about. That means that right now you don't feel loved or cared about. So the problem with this is that by you setting these goals, you're kind of putting things on a pedestal and you are kind of becoming an incomplete person, and you're saying that you will not be complete until you achieve this thing. The problem with this is that by going into things as an incomplete person, it'll be much harder for you to achieve them. For example, it's much easier for somebody to make money who is just doing something that they love and something that makes them happy, so they keep doing it, like I explained in my previous video, or I think I explained in my first video about how by chasing money you're kind of ignoring the things that you love and kind of trying to force money to come your way. It's also much easier for a man who loves himself and who feels complete with himself to get a girlfriend than a man who is willing to do anything for a woman's love out of his own selfish gain because he thinks that he needs it. For a long time I'd imagine all the things that I'd be able to do once I'd hit my goal of making $10,000 online. And all this led was to me being miserable for 2 years and not really achieving anything. So what I decided to do instead was just do those things that I wanted to do when I'd hit $10,000 a month online now, and provide value with them so that money and success would come naturally as I was doing what I loved, not later or from something that I didn't really enjoy doing. If you're doing what you love, the results will not matter because you love it, and this will keep you going with very little effort for a very long time. You can still achieve what you want by working hard, but it'll be much harder. You'll have to work much harder, and because you achieve this kind of by forcing it, it'll be hard to maintain these results and your happiness. For example, those people who will work 80-hour work weeks doing something that they hate but that makes a lot of money just to retire quickly, and then once they retire they still don't really know what to do with themselves because they never found out what they loved. Whereas if you do something that you love, you will continue to do this for life because you love it, and money will just come. You won't really have to work for it. Money will just kind of be attracted to you because of so much value and so much enjoyment that you have in what you're doing. So my action step for today is to think about what you want the most, or what you think you want the most, and to imagine that you achieved it and feel the feelings that you think you'll feel once you achieve it, and then erase the thing. So what this will do is that you will keep the feelings. You'll realize that these feelings are within you, that you can feel them whenever you want, that you do not need this thing to feel these feelings. So you'll feel like a more complete person, and you'll just begin to associate these feelings that for so long you associated with a certain goal. I can't feel this until I hit this goal. You'll just begin to associate these feelings with yourself, and you'll just feel more complete and happy. And this way you'll be able to kind of do what you enjoy more. And you won't be chasing anything, so you'll just allow things to come to you. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to find yourself and your passions, because oftentimes we'll find that we lose ourselves in these goals and we lose who we are, kind of how I did. Once I was like, okay, I can't keep trying to make money and chase this girl. I need to find myself. I need to be happy. I had no idea. I kind of had a rough idea about what I wanted to do, but it had been so long since I'd done anything other than chase this girl that it really took some time in writing. So yeah, that's what I'll be talking about in my next video. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Remember, you are perfect, you are everything, and your happiness is the only thing that matters in your life. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.